Number three, let's talk about pricing for a minute. For the last 4 years, I've charged the group a lid price at the beginning of October at $12.50 on both the oranges and grapefruit. However, at the shipping time, the price was reduced to $12 delivered to the groups on both products. Most organizations sold their products at $24 per 20-pound carton, giving them a $12 profit. This gives your customer a price of about $1.20 per pound. Grocery stores will sell the same size and grade of California Navel oranges and the Texas Rio Star grapefruit for up to $1.30, even to $1.40 a pound. You can charge whatever you would like. However, charging $24 per carton is not only helping your program, but giving your customer a good value. With my 26 years of experience, I'm sure you will be able to make at least $11 or better profit per 20-pound carton. I do have some groups that charge up to $30 per case for the 20-pound cartons. Now, let me explain what a lid price is. A lid price means that I will charge no more than, if I quote you $12.50 as a lid per carton. If the market goes down, and it usually does, and I do expect it to, I will charge whatever the market went down to. If the market goes up, I will eat the upcharge, meaning that I will only charge you $12.50, which was the lid, meaning it will not go over that. I won't know until the day we ship, the first day that we ship, which is around the 30th of November each year, what I will actually be charging. Growers and shippers are very protective of their products. They do not want to get caught selling too cheap or too expensive. Let me talk about a disclaimer that I've had to put in. I've never had to use it, but I just want you to know this. When I give out prices each year, I try to guarantee the price that I charge. However, disease, weather conditions, and market conditions can make prices change. I play the market just like the grocery stores do. I have never had to raise a price after giving my customers the current year's pricing, and I hope that I never have to. Just be aware of this.